Let's just listen in to what the Prime Minister had to say a short while earlier in Jamui. He had a plea directly for voters. Let's listen.
मैंने कभी दावा नहीं किया कि मैंने सारे काम पूरे कर लिए। वो 70 साल के बाद भी दावा नहीं कर सकते, तो मैं 5 साल में कैसे कर सकता? अब भी बहुत कुछ करना है, बहुत कुछ करने का मांगा है, और इसके लिए निरंतर प्रयास की जरूरत है, और उसके लिए मुझे आपके निरंतर आशीर्वाद की भी जरूरत है।
Now, Manish, interesting that we've always heard the Prime Minister talking about how soon he was going to complete sort of ongoing projects and then the work he'd set out to do. He's talked earlier about, completing in 60 months what other people have taken 60 years to achieve. For the first time, though, he seemed to be striking a rather different note here.
Yes, clearly, Ankita, he's trying to change the goalpost because we covered Prime Minister Narendra Modi extensively in 2014. Then he used to say, you have given them 60 years, please give me 60 months. I will show to you that how I changed everything. But this time now, somewhere he is admitting that whatever schemes he have rolled out, that he is not able to, it is not able to reach to the last people or, the like the common man at the grassroots level. And today, even in Jamui speech, he said that after his Prime Minister Farmers Health Scheme, under which they are going to provide 6,000 rupees to each and every farmer, he claimed that about 1.5 crore farmers from Bihar are going to be benefited. But he's saying that he also admitted that not all of them are getting the benefits now, but in the days to come, you will see how these schemes, impact the life of the farmer in Bihar. Besides that, he also talked about Ayushman Bharat Yojana, that how more and more people are going to be brought under this scheme. So somewhere he has realized that whatever he is talking, at least on the schemes and on the implementation of those schemes, he is not able to, seek the fresh mandate. So that is why he has, somewhere once again has given the comparison that those people who got 60 years could not, complete so many projects. So how can he complete anything within 5 years? So he needs another, 5 years or, another extension of his term. Ankita.